But I'm going to turn over to Mitch. He's going to take you through this XLR Boost, again, the 37TSX13.
Yeah, but basically 13-foot garage. You're going to have a separate garage toy hauler. It's going to feature 3 different slide outs. So you'll feature 1 slide out here on this side, 2 on the other side. Solid entry steps. As we come back, you've got 2 entries, right? So you've got an entry here, goes into the garage, and you have an entry there. Let's go inside and take a look at it.
When you're in it, it's life and death.
So as you come in, opposing slides. What's nice about that? First off, opens up the whole living area, right? So you've got your stove down below here, microwave. So this will have a microwave, probably just had like a little scratch or something, so we got a different microwave coming in for it. Stainless steel undermount sink, plenty of cabinet storages down below. Directly across from here, you're gonna have major pantry, right? So huge pantry. I believe we're selling these right now below $50,000. This is actually a new 2022, so you got full warranty, and we're selling it below cost. So it's definitely a buy right now for anybody looking for a toy hauler. You've got your theater seating. All 3 of these will flip up. So when you sit down, all you do, the little thing pulls up, got a little cup holder on each end. This one will come up, this one will come up as well. Directly across from your seating area, or from your entertainment, you've got your fireplace down below there. It does have a loft up top, so you can utilize this for a place to sleep or storage. Let's go to the garage. Notice as you get back here, you've got an above pull down bed. You've got 2 sofas that also go to a bed. You'll have a full patio. It's pretty neat. We always see the patio out. This is what it looks like in. So, you know, when you bring this in, then you take off your 2 guide wires here. That allows the ramp to go down, and then these, the gating and everything will spin out and get out of the way so you can pull everything up. This is in the travel position, so this folds up like this. The other side will do the same thing, so it gives you your full width. You've got, what, 3, 6, 9 tie downs in here, all to the frame, so you don't have to worry about anything there. Washer and dryer prep. That's one thing that brings up, not everybody uses this as a toy hauler. This is like a separate room, right? So you can put a washer and dryer back here. You can utilize this as, let's just say, I've had people that have a grooming business, and they use this as their garage for grooming and stuff. You've got a half bath right here, so you've got a toilet with your sink in there as well. Let's move up to the front. We'll look at the bathroom, and then also we'll take a look at the bedroom as well. So this is a double entry. So as you come in the bathroom, you're gonna notice you got your toilet, you've got storage up above there. You've got your shower. I'll open this so they can see that. You got your sink and medicine cabinet and everything there. And if you want to go through the hallway, move right into the bedroom. Big, I believe this is a king bed. This does have 2 ACs, and then right here is your other slide out, which has got basically like a nightstand, more cabinet drawers down below, hanging closet. You got a hanging closet here, storage all the way throughout. Ton of space in here as well. So, I mean, this thing's such a buy right now. I mean, I'm not kidding. You can shop this thing anywhere in the country. We're thousands and thousands of dollars below, just because we got to make room for more inventory coming. So we're actually taking a loss on it. So it's an extremely good buy, and you're getting it new with full warranty.